What's up, YouTube? It's the AZ392. You guys asked for it. Almost 2.3 million views on the HOA lady video. So guess what? We're gonna take her on a ride for the Demon 170 today. We're gonna get her all ready. She lives down the street, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Demon 170 actually to her, and we're gonna go ask her from there if she wants to go for a ride. And maybe a lot of you guys got some great comments on things what to do, and I appreciate all the likes and support you guys gave her and everything. So we're gonna listen, we're gonna do it, and we're gonna take her for a ride. So let's go. As you know from the previous clips and everything, the Demon 170 actually didn't start up the other day. I think it was dead, so hopefully the battery's not dead today, and we can start it up right away and take it down the street. We're gonna go pick up the HOA lady right now, and we're gonna see if she wants to ride in the Demon 170, but I gotta move the TRX out of the way real quick before we do anything.
Stop filming?
No, you're cool. Keep going. That thing sounds disgusting.
Let me back it out. You don't trust me?
No, we're doing it. We're firing the Demon 170 up. See if she starts up. Last time it didn't crank up. 17 miles on her, guys. I can't wait to actually take her out and beat her up.
What?
Guys, no big deal.
Is it dead?
It's dead. But guess what? I know what to do in this situation. And we're just gonna get the jumper cables out. Plug them in for a second. And thank you guys. I actually posted a video last time when it died. And a lot of you guys helped me out. And I know you can go in the front and just plug it into the positive terminal.
Are those subwoofers right there?
Yeah, dude, this thing, it's got a crazy sound system.
Two little like 8 subs in here?
Yeah, it's got the same, I don't know about the same one as the TRX, but they bump pretty much similar. Like when this thing's full blast, it will shake the trunk. Which is like another crazy thing. You would think that they might put the standard speakers in it for being, I don't know. But for the price, you'd want that, so. This is how to jumpstart a Demon 170 to go pick up the HOA neighbor who first off complained about the Demon being too loud. But you guys know we're on good terms right now. And, you know, we're gonna see what she thinks of it. And so
I'm excited for that pool to be done.
red to red, black to black. Then it blows up because you didn't do it right. So we're just gonna, I think it's,
You're not even on.
what do you mean I'm not on? It says ready to start. Buddy, you don't have to have like a full phone. You want to bet? We don't need to double check my work. It's gonna fire right up.
Should be run that.
Comment on it. We're gonna fire the Demon up right now. Cameraman thinks I'm on the wrong terminals, but you know, I just wouldn't do that. It does kind of sound weak when you start it up, but once you start stepping on it, and actually, I think it's the loudest car I've ever revved. This thing's feeling like a beast right now, guys. We'll pull it in there. Just got here. We're gonna see if she wants to take a ride for it and go from there. I'm gonna leave it on just to warm it up a little bit. Around the block, not fast.
What are you going to do?
Just around the block, take you for a ride in the new car. Just around the block.
Oh, yeah, leave it.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Anytime you need
No,
say
no.
me come and leave.
Do you care if I take you for a ride around the block real quick?
Oh,
Do you care?
maybe next time.
Okay. Next time?
Today, no. But
Okay.
the car you can leave there.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay?
Yeah.
No problem. You
Sounds
want to
good.
put them inside?
Yeah.
You can leave it.
Sounds good,
The
Maria.
garage is there.
Yeah. Next time though, I can take you for a ride.
I'm
in
so
it.
sorry. I'm not.
No, okay, it's
But
fine.
thank you. You
Yeah.
know.
What do you want me to call you before and ask you?
No, you don't. You don't have to do it. You saw dress.
Yeah.
But I've been doing things.
No, all good. Yeah, don't worry about it.
That's okay. Fine. Thank
All right,
you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Of course. Next time.
Have a good.
Yeah. Hi, Maria.
I don't worry about the car. If you want to leave it, leave it. If you want to go inside.
Perfect. Yeah, no. Next time. No, we want to take a video riding around with you. Yeah. We just want to take it for a ride. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Guys, so plan backfired, but we're not gonna take it out here. We're gonna go for a ride. What does that sound? Well, that's the AC. What is that atrocious sound? Guys, so as you can tell, she didn't want to go for a ride. She actually couldn't right now, which is no big deal, you know. We're not going to force nobody. But she said next time we can go take her for a ride. But we're going to go whip this thing around real quick. Whatever you want. drive that thing. It's too fast. You can shut the fuck up. I drove that thing. It's so cool. Controlled actually amazing, and I thought it would actually spin out and lose a little bit, but it's so hot in Arizona right now that it's not gonna do anything like that. But I'm gonna hold it in the garage. I'm gonna rev it up, and then we're gonna do some other things, and we're gonna go check out a Cybertruck. We're gonna go take out that jet ski today. Guys, so unfortunately, TJ just broke the fucking jet ski.
I didn't break it, dude.
So when you go to fucking throttle, we got no fucking throttle.
No throttle.
It's okay though.
Get the rock out. It'll be up and running.
We're 5 miles an hour going. So I actually just wanted to get a quick little video, guys, for you. I actually really appreciate all the support you guys give me, especially on that one video. I mean, that meant the world to me, and I got some cool things coming out, so just stay tuned, and we're going from here.